20 useful English words about fruits and vegetables. Welcome to FluentEase English. In this lesson, you'll learn 20 useful English words about fruits and vegetables. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and answer the questions. Let's begin. Fruits, Part 2. Peach, peach, peach. A peach is soft and sweet. I eat a peach after lunch. When do I eat a peach? After lunch. Plum, plum, plum. A plum is small and purple. She eats a plum every morning. When does she eat a plum? Every morning. Cherry, cherry, cherry. Cherries are red and shiny. We like cherry pie. What pie do we like? Cherry pie. Kiwi, kiwi, kiwi. A kiwi is brown outside and green inside. He eats a kiwi for breakfast. When does he eat a kiwi? For breakfast. Papaya, papaya, papaya. A papaya is orange and sweet. I drink papaya juice. What juice do I drink? Papaya juice. Guava, guava, guava. A guava is green and smells fresh. She eats a guava after dinner. When does she eat a guava? After dinner. Lychee, lychee, lychee. A lychee is small and juicy. We love lychee ice cream. What ice cream do we love? Lychee ice cream. Dragon fruit, dragon fruit, dragon fruit. A dragon fruit is pink outside and white inside. I eat dragon fruit in summer. When do I eat dragon fruit? In summer. Coconut, coconut, coconut. A coconut is hard outside and sweet inside. He drinks coconut water. What does he drink? Coconut water. Avocado, avocado, avocado. An avocado is green and creamy. I make avocado toast. What do I make? Avocado toast. Vegetables, Part 2. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin. A pumpkin is big and orange. We cook pumpkin soup. What soup do we cook? Pumpkin soup. Corn, corn, corn. Corn is yellow and sweet. She eats corn for lunch. When does she eat corn? For lunch. Bean, bean, bean. Beans are small and healthy. He eats beans with rice. What does he eat with rice? Beans. Peas are tiny and green. We cook peas for dinner. What do we cook for dinner? Peas. Lettuce, lettuce, lettuce. Lettuce is light green and soft. I use lettuce for salad. What do I use for salad? Lettuce. Mushroom, mushroom, mushroom. Mushrooms are soft and white. She cooks mushrooms for breakfast. When does she cook mushrooms? For breakfast. Chili, chili, chili. Chili is red and very hot. He adds chili to his noodles. What does he add to his noodles? Chili. Eggplant, eggplant, eggplant. Eggplant is purple and shiny. We fry eggplant for dinner. What do we fry for dinner? Eggplant. Celery, celery, celery. Celery is green and crunchy. I add celery to my salad. What do I add to my salad? Celery. Zucchini, zucchini, zucchini. Zucchini is green and soft. She cooks zucchini with rice. What does she cook with rice? Zucchini. Excellent job! You learned 20 common English words about fruits and vegetables. Listen again, repeat many times, and speak naturally. Subscribe to FluentEase English for more fun lessons. See you in the next video.